Alrighty, so we're heading out on a trip this weekend, and the last thing our DENI ute needs is some good suspension. The boys over at EFS has hooked us up. We're going to get the DENI ute on the hoist and slap it all in. So in the boxes in front of me, rear shock absorbers. What a beaut. It's got to be black. Everything's got to be black. So there are rear shockies. Here is our steering dampener. So 4 new shocks, rears, fronts, steering dampener. Our shackles. I believe these are shackles as well. More bushes. Greasable pins. Got all our U-bolts and the main component, our springs. The main perpetrator on our DENI ute suspension is the springs. Now in the back, 11 packs of leaves in the rear with absolutely no working shock absorbers. So now we have the EFS kit, we're going to chuck it in. So hopefully I can cruise down the road now without completely compressing my spine. We're going to get this old shit out, throw it straight in the bin and get our new EFS suspension in there. So what Greg's doing now is cutting off the old U-bolts. Now they've been on there for that long and dragging through the mud and the dirt and all the gunk. They're not going to come off as easy as just with a ratchet or a rattle gun. So easiest way, you got new ones, just cut off the old ones. Oh, that looks really good now. Makeup on a pig. Makeup on a pig. At least it won't ride like a pig anymore. So yeah, that's the back done. This thing is leaf front and rear, so basically the same thing, just reversed. We'll montage that for right now. Gone. Out with the old, in with the new. Alrighty, now whole kit's fitted. There's one thing left to do before we hit the road. Throwing on our EFS sticker. Fully certified, now it's time to hit the tracks. We go, boys. Oh fuck, Spud, you ready to hit the tracks, mate?
Yeah, man, I'm keen as.
Where you parked? Where you parked? What have you got?
Yeah, boy. It's my new rig, bro.
You finally bought a Jeep, mate.
Finally bought a Jeep. Wheel left, bro. This will be the replacement vehicle for the trip.
So what, when I'm not driving the Jeep, you drive a Jeep?
Yeah, mate.
There's got to be at least one Jeep on the channel at all times, eh?
Yeah, so that's why I bought one, man.
Pretty flash, mate. You ready to hit the track or what?
Fucking oath. I'll meet you there, eh?
You better start walking.
Cheers. Gotcha.
See you, mate.
Yeah.
Corrugations and I don't feel it much. This is so much better. Oh, I love this truck. Sorry. pulled into the track. Matty's taken off. I dare say you'll be at the first obstacle. And I reckon old Spuddy will be there too. I hope he did a beer run too, because I didn't stop at the bottle though. Already, side by side with the new suspension, compared to last time, it is an absolute dream. You only hear the corrugations, you do not feel them through your spine. So there's already a tick for EFS on the corrugations. Let's see how it does in the ruts. And you may recognize this part of the track, because last time I had my doors open, it was that hot. So now doors are shut, windows are up, AC is on, nice and cool. We're going to see how much better this ute performs now it's had all its upgrades. I reckon it's going to be a solid 10 out of 10. You made it, Spud!
Man, that was a long walk, bud.
Did the RC car make it?
Yeah, bud.
Look at you go. I'll tell you what, I'll go first.
Alright.
Make sure that your little RC will make it.
Alright.
And then that way I'm on the other side. If you get stuck, I can just pull you through.
Alright, mate. No, sounds like a plan, eh?
Easy.
Too easy. Stuff it, just gotta send it, over it. Guys, that's how I drive the nav. Oi, hey, hey! Just hold it on. Yoo!
Well done, buddy!
Yeah, bud, on to the next one, bud.
Here we are at the first real obstacle. It's the creek. So we're going to go walk it, see how it's looking, but I don't think there's going to be any water in it because it's pretty dry around here. So go see what's going on and get through. Shh. Don't tell the audience, but Spud's car's actually here and it's stuck. What a surprise. And it's gone. It's just making nav noises, no one's worried.
Well drive, brother!
I can't believe this, there's absolutely no water at all.
Well, it might be a bit easy, man.
Well, you want to go first?
Yeah, bud.
And I'll follow.
Alright, no dramas. Just send it, or?
I reckon just fully send.
Send it. Oh, you fucking piece of shit! Boy, Jeep, they say. Catches.
Spud's just walking off into the bush with his remote control car. I'm just going to smack it with the DENI ute and see what happens. Let's hit it.
Now that's what I was trying to do, but it didn't work out. Don't have enough horses in my little remote control car. Remember guys, the nav is not here. It's that slipping in that gets you. It'd be easy if you could stay up, but it's just so slippery it just drops straight in. I don't know how Cody done it. Just sheer ass, just pure luck, I think. Just pure luck. That's 3 winch jobs in an hour. Well, I didn't get stuck. I just lift mine up, just keep going. She's good.
All right, all the vehicles are through. Now we'll keep on tracking and see what else we got in store.
Fuck you, talk all this shit. Really? Bloody piece of piss in the dry. When it's wet, man, this hill is a nightmare. Now it's the RC's turn. Let's give it a crack, eh? Send it! Hey! Yeah, boy! The worst bit is that I've got to walk. Alright guys, here we are at the descent. It's a bit of a mission when it's wet. I didn't already take the Navara down there. And I didn't already get stuck. Wink, wink. But anyway, Cody's going to go down in the DENI ute now, and then I'm going to follow him in the RC car. We'll see how we go. Look at that flex, bruh! More flex than that fucking piece of shit Gold Jeep that Cody owns. I'm through, what are you doing? Been walking all day, man. I need to sip me water.
Okay, boy, it's 5 o'clock. It's time for a bit coffee. Time for coffee. Let's push on, eh, boys? I'm really looking forward to Chef Spud cooking us up a good feed tonight. So right now we're waiting for one of our camera vehicles which is stuck down the hill there. But if you're wondering where we got these things from, a company that looks after us called Banggood sells these on their website. Now if you want to see the build of my little Jeep right here, jump onto our Patreon. It's called the Dog House, and you'll see the full build of me painting and prepping and getting my little RC going. Now I got Spud here once and me and him can play together. Oh, hope you got insurance, mate. Jesus.
Full lock, full lock, full lock.
No, it's not working.
Bloody fucking Jeeps. Hey!
Anyway, if you want one of these, jump on their website, link will be below. We're heading back to camp. I've never seen one in the wild, eh? Yeah, well this is where we're camping, so that should be fun. What a great name, Death Adder. Ooh, that's what we live in Australia for. Well, thank fuck for that. Yeehaw! Back to camp, boys!
Alright guys, we're back here at camp. We've got the roast on. We've been watching some movie.
Start again.
Alright guys, we're back here at camp. We got a roast on. Hang on. Start it again. Alright guys, we're back here at camp. Matt's got a roast on. Looks spectacular. Alright, we're back here at camp. Old Matty's got a nice roast happening over here on the spit. We've watched a couple of movies. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cook up a quick feed for us just to nibble on. We are keen. Let's cook up a fucking meat fest. Oh, just cooking some, you know, some sausages and some meat patties, you know, and some fucking caged eggs, you know, just the usual. Just a simple meal, you know. Got the old eBay Bunsen burner happening over here.
But didn't you say you didn't get that one from eBay?
No, I didn't, but it's for the show, dickhead.
Remember how we're making a show, dickhead?
Oh.
Remember we're making a show here, dickhead? Oh, you know what I forgot? Plates, bro. Hey, bro, can I borrow a plate off you? Bit more fucking flavouring.
What flavouring is that, bro?
Oh, fucking some special provided jisms. No, I don't know. Salt, pepper, garlic, barbecue rib, bro.
So that's what SPG stands for.
Yeah, bud, that's what...
Mind blown, Spud. He just realised.
Start it again. Oh, look at that. Just fucking sensational. What I like to do while my food's cooking is drink beer. Last time old Matty cooked a pork, he had it on the rotisserie about midnight. Decided to cook it, to cut it open, and it was still pink. So hopefully this one's a bit better. But it looks pretty good actually. That looks like a fucking 1 out of 10, that one. 1 out of 10, bro. Big into some meat patties, bro. This is proper camp food. You're welcome. Fuck off, Cody.
What's up next, brother?
Some snags, bro. Some snags. Gotta get them snags on. Can't go camping unless you got snags. Oh yeah, I don't know what it is with me, but every time I cook, I don't know what it is, man. Just everything tastes so good. Bit of fucking seasoning on them snags, bro. Bunnings have got nothing on me, bud. Fucking Bunnings. Come, we're gonna get kicked out of here shortly.
I can think of as random people hearing this shit.
I reckon my pro tip, while I wait for these snags to cook, I reckon all you clowns should just up them beers, I reckon.
Why are we the clowns upping the beers?
Just don't argue with me, man. Just, you know, just do it.
Unless you get the fucking tongs, brother. Alright?
You get a couple of these ones, Bungie.
Well, you get a fucking couple of these ones around the fucking chin.
And the old ear roll. Fuck.
Looking fucking sensational here, bro. You want half of mine, bro?
No, you eat it. You can have it.
Well, you one of those people, are you? Oh, one sausage each, boys. What do you reckon?
How many of us are there?
That's why I like to keep the Navara broken, because I can't break.
Bust it up.
Bust it up.
That's why I like to keep the Navara broken.
Bust it up.
Can't
You
break
love
it,
your
it's already broken. That's why I like to keep the
He's about to
Navara
turn
kind of
green,
busted
bro.
up,
Rip his shirt off.
That's why I like to keep the Nav busted, because you can't break it anymore if she's busted.
No!
That's why I like to keep the Nav brusted. This is the most hardest line I've ever had to fucking do. What's going on with me?
Save
Boy,
it.
we got skewers here, bro. I might like to have a sausage on a skewer, if you know what I mean. Just put the sausage on a skewer for Cody. Yeah, bro. You want a sausage on a skewer, bro?
I'll have a sausage on a skewer.
Let's have a sausage on a skewer, bro.
Oh, it's a little bit hot.
Dig into sausages, boys. I'm gonna make some fucking scrambled eggs. What do you reckon? What do you reckon? We'll make some scrambled eggs. Oi, bro, do you eat your eggs without the skin or with the skin?
With.
With? Just gotta, you know, swirl him around a bit. Eggs are done. Gas off. Try some egg butter. It tastes good, eh, with that seasoning.
Did you even season it?
Alright, I've cooked us up a deadly little feed before the roast comes out. I'm gonna have a quick hydration session and then we'll go over to Maddie and see how our pork's going. We will catch up with you guys back in 6 to 8 hours. What do you reckon, bro? Let me try a bit of your burnt crackle. You want burnt crackle, bro? Quite good, actually.
Yeah, recipe.
Thanks, bro.
You are a fucking...
No, that's pretty good. I'm not saying it's better than my food, fuck you. Worth the wait, worth the wait. That's good.
Alright, that's it for this episode, boys. The DENI performed outstanding. Aircon's cold, the suspension is absolutely amazing, and the motor's tough as shit. And it didn't break this episode, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be back for good. The Navara only broke just a little bit more than it was.
Well, you can't break it anymore if it's already broken, bro.
True that.
Anyway, guys, don't forget, subscribe to YouTube. Patreon, simple as $1 a month. You get to see behind the scenes. Cody's got a, what is it, Doghouse?
New show, Doghouse.
New show, Doghouse. We got 500 Patreon guys, so now we're going to go and handle it. Let's go.